How to change profile picture on Instagram. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your profile picture whether you are on your iPhone or Android. It's the same process, so let's jump right in. Open the Instagram app. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Here under your profile info, tap on edit profile. Now tap on your profile picture at the top. Tap on here edit picture or avatar. Now you'll get here three options. They are choose from library, import from Facebook, or take photo. You can choose whichever you want. For now, let me just choose from gallery. Now once you choose your image, all you have to do is tap on done, and boom, your profile picture is updated. Now go back and you can see your profile picture has been updated. And that's it, a fresh new look in just a few taps. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.